Alright, listen, you woke up this morning. That's a victory in itself. You cannot let the day bleed away. We are striving for greatness. Cable crosses. Put the cables to, about your nipple height and hinge at the shoulder. Don't know an individual that couldn't benefit from doing more rear delts. On the plate, side lateral raises. We got 6 reps, 4 sets. Here's the kicker, baby. About a 5-second rest in between. Gonna have them bad boys burning.
Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name.
Did somebody say more rear delts? You guessed it, son. We're going single arm this time. Back to the cables. I need to use the cables more. Check her out.
Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm back. Baby, I'm back. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. For the rocks, when the sights come, live it up, on the attack. Baby, I'm back. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm back. Baby, I'm back. Cash in the bag.
Baby, and the veins are out to play. Had to flex on them today. And we're back to the side lateral raises. This time single arm with the handle. Put it to work.
You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah.
And on Big Rob's channel, we are about that symmetry. We about that life. Do it on both sides.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.
And now's about the time Big Rob's feeling himself. Flex it out. Pull the blood up in the muscles, baby. Try this out. You won't be disappointed. Now I'm gonna need y'all to show Big Rob some love, man. Hit that like button. I need you to subscribe, and I'd like a comment, man. Let me know what you think.